What's up, everyone? Welcome to the adventure today. I gotta keep my face in the sunlight so you can see me. Well, we're out today with the fly rod and we're gonna try to do a little bit of dry fly fishing and hopefully a hatch will happen. But it is beautiful out here right now. In the 70s or so, there's a bee trying to attack me. And still early in the morning. I'll take a look at my watch real quick and tell you what time. It's just after 8 o'clock in the morning. And I guess I can look at the temp too. Watch says 58 and I know that's a lie. So either way, we're out here and the river itself is 350 cubic feet a second right now. And you know, it's been up and down the past couple months. Like they were saying that it was like, you know, runoff was over and everything, and they were gonna do the drain down, and they started doing the drain down and took it down to 16 cubic feet, which didn't do the fish or any of the aquatic wildlife in here any justice by doing that. And they did it for like 48 hours, turning it down to 16 cubic feet just to, I don't know what they were doing, but they did something. And anyways, now it's back up to 300 and something. So it doesn't really do the fish any good to just keep raising and dropping the flows on them like this. But here we are today and we're gonna try to catch something. So maybe with a little bit of luck, we'll get something on a dry fly. So I was just staring into my fly box trying to figure out what I'm gonna put on to try to entice these fish to surface. And I think I'm gonna go with this soft tackle dry fly up here, where it's got a little bit of CDC and soft tackle, but I think the soft tackle is a little bit of the wrong kind of soft tackle. But we'll go ahead and thread this on there as No Effects blows my eardrums over here. Man, punk rock in the morning with some dry fly fishing, or whatever music you like to listen to, I guess. I like to listen to punk rock. I feel like it's good music. Good music. That's the last thing somebody'd ever say about punk rock, right? Good music. Alright, and now we're tied on with this size 16 dry fly, soft tackle dry fly. And we're gonna hit this main through this section here in front of us in hopes there's something sitting in that flow. We got some new line on here. It's the Rio Prestige Premier 4-weight. And we'll just whack this in there a couple times and see if something wants to come over and hop on it. There's fish. Oh boy. Nice. I seen that happen, and as soon as it happened, there's fish. Oh boy. That's a great looking fish. Man. Just in soul concentration mode there. Fast as that fish hit is as fast as I set the hook, and I can't believe it came up for that soft tackle dry fly. It's a good one. We got a good one on here. Oh yeah. What a beautiful rainbow. Come on, baby. Stay with me. Hold them steady. Come on. Keep the rod bent. Come on, babies. Key is, with an old reel like this, you want to get your fingers off that knob. You don't get them off that knob, you could get broke off real easy. At the tip of the rod now. Let's get our net out. Come on, babes. Oh yeah. What a beaut. 10, 8, 18-inch rainbow. We got our fly out. Oh man, what a beaut. Look at that. Woo! All right, White River over here getting this beautiful feisty female here. You ready to come out and show the public? Oh man, she's a beaut. Later, lady. Oh yeah. Woo! That's what I love to see. Love to see it. I think I got some goober in my reel. You see them? Lots of them. Hungry. Soft tackle dry fly. Fish. Oh, we had that one. More up in the front now, and they're feisty, really feeding hard over there. Really feeding hard. Come on, fly. Get dry. Get dry, you can do it. All right, close enough. Need to reclaim my line from the current. We're gonna go for the front of the line, make a cast into about there, and then try to do a little bit of reach cast on it. See if we can get it to run right down in there to him. I can't even tell where it's at. Oh, I see it now. I didn't even get the reach on it, right? That breeze. There we go, that's beautiful. High speed through there, high speed fish. That's it. That's how you do it right there. And then make sure you get your line tied up on your reel so that way you don't cause a knot. There we go, that's beautiful. High speed through there, high speed fish. Down below, this fish is just down there shaking. Oh, that's a beauty. What a great fish. The days I live for. Fish. Dry flies. Beautiful. Come on, baby.
I gotta keep an eye on the tip of my rod, keep my leader outside of it. Oh yeah. We'll keep her in the water the best we can. There's our fly out already. Man, what a beauty. These fish are like paid actors. Just shy of 10 and 8 there. So 17 and a half. All right, let me get my hand off that. Easy. Look at that beautiful rainbow trout. Later, lady. How I dry my flies off is I hook them on my tip holder here, and I just play it like a guitar string a little bit, you know, and that kind of dries them out a little bit, or at least helps flick the water off of them. And then after that step, then I put them in the high and dry. Barely close the container. Give her a shake. Let her sit for a little bit in there. That's how I do it. Always shake it off whenever you're taking it out. And remember to strip the excess off your line. And always check your knots. That's pretty much it. You're good to go. Size 20 trico. This one's with CDC feathers on top to get it to do what you want it to do, which is float. I don't even quite know where my fly is at. There it is. No fish near it. So let's go ahead and pull it out of there.
Fish.
That's a nice looking rainbow. Oh, we're inside the rod up here. Ugh. Come on, big feisty. Oh. Oh, that's a big fish. Big fish. Gonna have to get the dehooker because that hook's so tiny I can't even begin to try to figure out how to touch it. Oh no, I just got everything in the net. Oh, where'd it go? Well, that's a beautiful rainbow. Let's see how big it is real quick. Easy now. 11, 7, 18, 18, 19. Bit my net down here. Come on, your little fangs. I've got my net. Easy, big girl, easy. Look at that beautiful rainbow trout. Woo. Man, what a beautiful fish. On a dry fly that I think I still got it on the hook or on the line. It's hard to tell. Come on, net, click. That's what's left of her. Size 20 trico.
Well, thank you everyone for watching. It's been a great adventure out today. Got a few fish on. Missed quite a few. Fooled quite a few, I tell you that too. But it's been good. Using soft tackle dry flies and size 20 short hooked tricos with CDC on top to keep them floating. It's been good. Drop some comments or suggestions down below, or any input you want to give me on something. Open to your opinions. Well, thank you guys for watching, liking, and subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one.